A true financial success is born from the value you create, not the money you desire. Dr. Joe Dispenza. The law of attraction has long been hailed as one of the most powerful forces in shaping our reality. But what exactly does it mean, and how can you use it to manifest abundance, particularly in terms of financial success? For many, money is a symbol of security, freedom, and opportunity. And while some may view the pursuit of wealth as materialistic, the truth is that money can provide the means to live a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. The law of attraction, when fully understood and applied, can unlock the potential for creating a steady flow of financial prosperity. Let's get deeper into how you can align your energy with wealth and make money using the principles of New Thought techniques. At its core, the law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are all forms of energy that radiate out into the universe. Whatever you focus on, whether positive or negative, expands in your life. If you're constantly thinking about financial lack or struggling to make ends meet, that energy will continue to manifest in your life. On the other hand, if you shift your mindset toward abundance, wealth, and financial opportunities, you'll begin to attract circumstances that support your financial growth. One of the first steps in using the law of attraction to attract money is to change your relationship with money. Many people grow up with limiting beliefs around wealth, beliefs that money is scarce, that it's wrong to desire money, or that only a select few are meant to be financially successful. These beliefs are deeply ingrained and often operate on a subconscious level, blocking your ability to attract wealth. To overcome this, it's essential to reprogram your subconscious mind. Start by examining your beliefs about money. Are they serving you or holding you back? Write down any negative thoughts you have about money and then consciously replace them with empowering beliefs. Affirmations are a powerful tool in reshaping your financial mindset. By repeating positive statements about money and abundance, you can begin to overwrite the old limiting beliefs that have been standing in your way. For example, instead of thinking, "I never have enough money," try saying, "I am a magnet for financial abundance." These statements may feel uncomfortable or even false at first, but with consistency, they begin to shift your subconscious programming. The key is to use affirmations that resonate with you personally, ones that feel aligned with your goals and desires. Visualization is another effective technique when it comes to manifesting wealth. Visualization allows you to see and feel yourself already living the life of abundance you desire. Take time each day to close your eyes and vividly imagine what financial success looks like for you. Picture yourself in situations where money flows easily into your life. Maybe you see yourself running a thriving business, landing a high-paying job, or receiving unexpected financial windfalls. The more detail you include in your visualization, the more real it becomes to your mind. And as your mind accepts this vision as truth, your reality begins to reflect it. Gratitude plays a significant role in the law of attraction, especially when it comes to money. When you appreciate the money you already have, no matter how much or little, you send out a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Gratitude shifts your focus away from lack and scarcity, placing it in abundance. Make it a habit to express gratitude for every financial blessing, no matter how small. Whether it's finding a few extra dollars in your wallet or receiving an unexpected discount, take a moment to be genuinely thankful. This shift in attitude opens the door for more wealth to flow into your life. It's important to remember that the law of attraction isn't just about sitting back and waiting for money to fall into your lap. While positive thinking and visualization are essential, they must be combined with inspired action. Once you've aligned your energy with financial abundance, you'll start to notice opportunities presenting themselves. It's up to you to take action on these opportunities. Whether it's starting a new business, learning a new skill, or investing in something that excites you, action is a necessary component in the process of manifestation. Trust your intuition and follow through on the ideas and opportunities that feel right to you. Money flows to those who believe they deserve it. Self-worth is a crucial element in the manifestation process. If deep down you don't feel worthy of financial success, it's unlikely you'll be able to attract it, no matter how much you practice the techniques of the law of attraction. Take time to work on your self-esteem and sense of deservingness. Remind yourself that money is a neutral tool, and having it doesn't make you greedy or selfish. You have the right to live a life of abundance just like anyone else. The more you raise your sense of worth, the more money will naturally flow to you. Another essential aspect of using the law of attraction for financial success is letting go of attachment to the outcome. Often, people become so focused on how and when the money will come that they inadvertently block the flow of abundance. The more you try to control every aspect of the manifestation process, the more resistant you become to receiving. Trust in the timing of the universe. Know that the money you desire is already on its way to you, and be open to receiving it in ways you might not expect. Detachment allows the energy to flow freely and ensures that you remain open to all possibilities. It's also crucial to focus on the value you're providing rather than just the money you want to receive. The law of attraction is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of abundance, and one of the most powerful ways to do that is to contribute value to the world. Ask yourself, what unique skills, talents, or services can you offer that would benefit others? The more value you provide, the more the universe will reward you with financial abundance. This principle applies whether you're an entrepreneur, an employee, or even someone looking for investment opportunities. Focus on creating value, and the money will follow. One common mistake people make when trying to use the law of attraction to attract money is focusing too much on the lack of it. If you're constantly checking your bank account with anxiety, worrying about bills, or feeling desperate for financial relief, you're sending out the energy of scarcity. Even if you're actively practicing visualization and affirmations, this underlying anxiety can sabotage your efforts. Instead, practice feeling abundant even before the money has manifested. Act as if you already have the financial freedom you desire. This doesn't mean recklessly spending money you don't have, but rather cultivating a mindset of abundance. For instance, you can treat yourself to small luxuries within your means, or spend time in environments that reflect the wealth you're attracting. Consistency is key when it comes to manifesting money using the law of attraction. It's not enough to practice these techniques once or twice, and then give up if you don't see immediate results. The process of attracting wealth takes time, dedication, and a persistent belief in your ability to manifest it. Stay focused on your vision, keep your thoughts aligned with abundance, and remain open to the flow of opportunities. Over time, you'll begin to see shifts in your financial reality, sometimes in ways you never could have predicted. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a powerful tool for manifesting financial success when applied correctly. By shifting your mindset, practicing gratitude, visualizing your goals, taking inspired action, and letting go of attachment, you can create a life of abundance. The key is to stay consistent, trust the process, and believe in your own worthiness to receive wealth. Money is simply energy, and once you align yourself with the energy of abundance, you'll find that financial opportunities flow effortlessly into your life. As we wrap up, it's important to recognize that the potential to attract financial abundance lies within each of us. The power to change your financial situation starts with the decisions you make every day, in how you choose to think about money, the actions you take, and the opportunities you allow yourself to receive. It all begins with your mindset. Wealth and prosperity are not reserved for the few. They are available to anyone who is willing to align themselves with the energy of abundance and take action to invite it into their life. If you're ready to attract more financial opportunities, start now. Your ability to manifest wealth is not something that is far off in the future. It is something you can initiate today by making small yet powerful shifts in your thinking and behavior. There's no need to wait for the perfect moment. The power is in your hands to transform your financial reality. Before we end, let me ask you to engage with this content in a meaningful way. If you found value in these ideas, if this has sparked something within you, it would mean a lot if you would like this video. Your support helps bring more content like this to people who are ready to change their lives. Next, if you're excited about applying these ideas to your own life and want more insights like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any upcoming content that could further help you along the way. Also, if you think this message could benefit someone you know, consider sharing this video with them. Help spread the message of abundance and prosperity to others who could use it. For those who enjoy these kinds of discussions, subscribing to the channel ensures you're part of this ongoing conversation. There's more to come, and by subscribing, you'll stay connected with the latest teachings and insights on manifesting your best life. Lastly, if you're serious about your personal growth and financial success, subscribing allows you to tap into a well of knowledge that's designed to keep you moving forward. Don't miss out on content that could be the key to unlocking your financial potential. Thank you for tuning in. Your participation is a crucial part of this journey. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue to manifest the wealth and success that is waiting for you.